Hello besties, welcome to today's tutorial. In this particular one, I'm going to show you guys new easiest way you can twist with Brazilian wool. Very easy. This tutorial is beginners friendly. Look at this guys. Look at this. You can't imagine how I was able to twist this. In a matter of time, you are done twisting your hair. If it sounds like something you've been interested in, then let's forge ahead to the tutorial video. So guys, this is all you need: your Brazilian wool, crochet pin, and then your comb for parting. So go ahead and part your hair depending on the volume you want, whether you want a larger volume or a smaller one. You are the one to decide. After parting, go ahead and smoothen it and then go do your Bob Marley. Okay, do your boss braid with the natural hair without adding anything. Just do your boss braid with the natural hair. Unless if your hair is short or the hair of the person you're working with is short, you can add little attachment for you to be able to grab it. Just do Bob Marley. You can decide to do it one or just finish the whole hair with Bob Marley before going ahead to the second method, or you can just do one or two or three, then finish up that one and then do more Bob Marley, guys. Then after that, go ahead and grab your Brazilian wool. For me, I'm making use of 9 pieces. The number to use depends on you, okay? Depends on the volume of hair you parted, okay? Then go ahead and use your crochet pin to crochet the Brazilian wool now. Another important thing you should take note is that make sure you hide the natural hair now inside the Brazilian wool. Make sure you hide it very well. After that, grab one of the Brazilian wool and use it to roll the base, just to cover up the place you joined, like the place you crocheted the Brazilian wool, just to cover up the base. After that, then use one of the Brazilian. We can continue with that one if it's still long enough, but it's not, pick another separate one and start roping it this way. Guys, you see what I'm doing? So start to rope it, like start to thread it this way. You will have to be giving space. You see what I am doing? I'm not doing it like the normal threading style. Just rope it this way, giving little space like that. That's a way. In a way, this means that you are twisting it. Then when you exhaust the one you are making use of, you are free to pick another one and then continue till you get the length you want or till you get to the tip. Then go ahead and knot it twice. After that, I will still show you guys again. Crochet your Brazilian wool onto the natural hair. Make sure the natural hair is well covered with the Brazilian wool. Then pick one of the Brazilian wool now to knot the base, like cover up where you added the Brazilian wool. Just use it to cover it up. Guys, if you are watching to this point and you know that you are getting any value or you love this hairstyle, remember what I do here: bringing different hairstyles, easy way to achieve the same results for you guys. Okay, what you can help me to do is to make sure you hit that like button. If you are here to join my family, click the subscribe button. Again, you know, you are free to drop all your questions if you have any question at all. Okay, so continue to rope it that way, giving little space. Is easy, guys, trust me. Even the losing, if you want to lose it, is very easy. This method is easy. You won't have all those hand pain after doing your normal twist. This method is very easy. It's the same thing with twist. Look at this, guys. So this is what you will get, or more beautiful one than this one. So this is exactly easy way. It's a new method of twisting with Brazilian wool. Go ahead and try it, guys. After trying it, come back to this video and let me know in the comment section. Do you love the outcome? Do you like it? For me, I love it, guys. I can't wait to try it on my hair. I'll make a video where I am making this same style on my hair. Thank you guys for riding with me with this simple tutorial. If you are here to like, please hit the like button, ask all your questions in the comment section, subscribe guys for more tutorials. Thank you guys once again for watching, and see you guys in my next tutorial video. Bye.